If you are a dog lover but suffer from allergies, finding a hypoallergenic breed can make all the difference in your quality of life. These breeds produce less dander, saliva, and other allergens that cause allergic reactions. In this video, we will be exploring the best dog breeds for people with allergies. 1. Poodle. Poodles are one of the most popular breeds for allergy sufferers. They have a single-layer coat that doesn't shed, making them ideal for people with allergies. They come in different sizes, from the standard to the toy, and are known for their intelligence and friendliness. 2. Bichon Frise. The Bichon Frise is a small breed with a curly, hypoallergenic coat. They are great for people with allergies because they produce very little dander. They are also known for their playful and affectionate nature, making them great companions. 3. Shih Tzu. The Shih Tzu is a small breed with a long, silky coat that doesn't shed. They are a great choice for people with allergies because they produce less dander than most breeds. They are also known for their friendly and outgoing personality. 4. Yorkshire Terrier. Yorkshire Terriers are a small breed with a hypoallergenic coat that doesn't shed. They are perfect for people with allergies because they produce very little dander. They are also known for their feisty and energetic personalities. 5. Portuguese Water Dog. Portuguese water dogs are a medium-sized breed with a curly, non-shedding coat. They are known for their intelligence, loyalty, and love for water. They are also hypoallergenic, making them a great choice for people with allergies. 6. Maltese. Maltese are a small breed with a long, silky coat that doesn't shed. They produce very little dander, making them ideal for people with allergies. They are also known for their affectionate and playful personalities. 7. Labradoodle. Labradoodles are a cross between a Labrador Retriever and a Poodle. They are a great choice for people with allergies because they have a hypoallergenic coat. They are also known for their intelligence, loyalty, and friendly personality. 8. Samoyed. Samoyeds are a medium to large-sized breed with a thick, fluffy coat that doesn't shed much. They are great for people with allergies because they produce less dander than most breeds. They are also known for their friendly and playful personalities. These are just some of the best dog breeds for people with allergies. It's important to remember that no breed is completely hypoallergenic, but these breeds produce less allergens, making them ideal for people with allergies. If you're considering getting a dog, be sure to spend time with the breed before making your decision, and talk to a breeder or veterinarian for more information on hypoallergenic breeds.